Imagine a world where the line between life and death blurs, and survival takes on astonishing forms. In the frozen reaches of our planet, some animals possess the remarkable ability to withstand being frozen solid, only to revive and continue their lives as if nothing happened. This phenomenon challenges our understanding of biology and resilience. As we explore these extraordinary adaptations, we'll uncover the secrets that allow certain creatures to defy the seemingly impossible and thrive in the harshest conditions nature has to offer. The wood frog is a fascinating amphibian native to North America, renowned for its extraordinary ability to endure harsh winter conditions. When temperatures plummet, this remarkable creature allows its body to freeze almost completely solid. During this time, the frog's organs shut down, and it enters a state that closely resembles death. Despite appearing lifeless, the wood frog is simply waiting for warmer weather, ready to thaw out and resume its normal activities come spring. The wood frog possesses remarkable adaptations that allow it to survive extreme winter conditions. When temperatures drop, the frog's liver rapidly produces large amounts of glucose, which is then distributed throughout its body. This glucose acts as a natural antifreeze, preventing ice crystals from forming inside the cells and protecting vital tissues from damage. Throughout the winter months, the frog remains in a frozen state, with its heart stopped and metabolic processes nearly halted. As spring approaches and temperatures rise, the frog gradually thaws and returns to life, resuming its normal activities as if nothing had happened. Hibernating bears have developed remarkable adaptations to survive harsh winter conditions. As temperatures drop, these mammals enter a deep state of hibernation, allowing them to conserve energy when food is scarce. During this period, their heart rate slows dramatically, body temperature decreases, and metabolism is significantly reduced. These physiological changes enable bears to endure months without eating, drinking, or even waking fully, ensuring their survival until spring arrives. Bears demonstrate extraordinary resilience during hibernation, enduring months of inactivity without suffering from muscle wasting or organ failure. Their bodies undergo remarkable physiological adaptations, allowing them to conserve energy while maintaining muscle mass and organ health. As spring arrives and bears awaken, they emerge with much of their strength intact, ready to resume their active lives. This unique ability sets them apart from most other mammals, whose bodies would typically weaken under similar conditions. Arctic insects have developed extraordinary methods to survive some of the harshest winters on Earth. Unlike many creatures that seek warmth or migrate, these insects endure the cold by allowing their bodies to freeze solid. Remarkably, even in this frozen state, they remain alive, waiting for the return of warmer temperatures. This unique adaptation enables them to withstand extreme conditions that would be fatal to most other species. Their survival strategies offer fascinating insights into the resilience of life in the Arctic. Arctic insects endure some of the harshest conditions on Earth, with temperatures often plunging far below freezing. Remarkably, many of these insects can survive being completely frozen solid. Their bodies produce special proteins and sugars that prevent ice crystals from damaging their cells. These adaptations allow their tissues to withstand the freezing process without suffering harm. When warmer temperatures return, the insects thaw and resume their normal activities, demonstrating an extraordinary resilience to extreme cold. Arctic insects have developed remarkable adaptations to survive extreme cold. One of their key strategies involves producing special proteins that regulate ice formation within their bodies. These proteins, often called antifreeze proteins, bind to tiny ice crystals and control their growth, preventing them from expanding and causing cellular damage. By managing how and where ice forms, these insects can endure freezing temperatures without harm. This unique biological mechanism allows them to thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Controlled freezing is a remarkable adaptation that allows certain insects to survive harsh winter conditions. By carefully regulating the formation of ice within their bodies, these insects prevent damage to their vital tissues. As temperatures drop, they enter a state of suspended animation, with metabolic processes slowing dramatically. When warmth returns, the ice melts gradually, enabling the insects to thaw and resume normal activity without harm. This process ensures their survival through extreme cold and allows them to thrive once favorable conditions are restored. In the icy waters surrounding Antarctica, temperatures often plunge below the freezing point of fresh water. Yet against all odds, certain fish species not only survive but thrive in these extreme conditions. Their ability to swim and function in sub-zero waters has long fascinated scientists, challenging our understanding of what life can endure. These remarkable fish have evolved unique adaptations, enabling them to withstand an environment that would be lethal to most other forms of marine life. Antifreeze proteins play a crucial role in the survival of these fish in icy waters. These specialized molecules bind to small ice crystals, preventing them from growing and spreading throughout the body. By interfering with the formation and expansion of ice, antifreeze proteins help maintain the fluidity of the fish's blood, even at sub-zero temperatures. This remarkable adaptation allows the fish to thrive in environments where most other species would freeze. Antifreeze fish and frozen insects have developed remarkably different strategies to survive in icy environments. Antifreeze fish produce specialized proteins that prevent ice crystals from forming in their blood, allowing them to remain active in sub-zero waters without freezing. In contrast, some insects tolerate being frozen solid by controlling where and how ice forms within their bodies, often using sugars and other molecules to protect their cells during the freezing process. These contrasting approaches highlight distinct evolutionary solutions to the challenge of cold, shaped by each organism's unique habitat and physiology. Together, they illustrate the diversity of adaptations that life has evolved to endure extreme cold. Polar animals like Arctic foxes, polar bears, and seals have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive in some of the coldest environments on Earth. Their thick fur, layers of fat, and specialized behaviors help them retain heat and stay active even when temperatures plummet far below freezing. These unique traits allow them to hunt, travel, and thrive in icy landscapes where few other creatures can endure. By understanding how these animals resist extreme cold, we gain insight into the incredible resilience of life in the polar regions. Polar animals have developed remarkable physical adaptations to survive in some of the coldest environments on Earth. Many species possess thick fur that traps heat close to their bodies, providing essential insulation against freezing temperatures. Beneath their skin, layers of fat, also known as blubber, serve as an additional barrier to the cold and help store energy. Some animals have specialized blood circulation systems that minimize heat loss by directing warm blood away from the surface and retaining it near vital organs. Together, these adaptations enable polar animals to thrive in harsh, icy habitats. Polar animals possess remarkable adaptations that enable them to thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Features such as thick layers of insulating fat, dense fur, and specialized circulation systems help them retain body heat and prevent freezing. These adaptations not only allow them to survive, but also to remain active during extreme cold, when other species would be immobilized or perish. By efficiently conserving energy and maintaining core temperatures, polar animals can hunt, migrate, and reproduce even in the depths of winter. Meet the tardigrade, a tiny organism that has captured the fascination of scientists around the world. Despite its minuscule size, the tardigrade is famous for its remarkable resilience, especially when faced with extreme cold. While most living things cannot withstand freezing conditions, tardigrades have developed unique adaptations that allow them to survive temperatures that would be lethal to nearly all other forms of life. This extraordinary ability makes them one of the most resilient creatures known to science. Cryptobiosis is a remarkable survival strategy observed in tardigrades. In this state, these tiny creatures lose almost all of their body water and suspend their metabolic processes, appearing nearly lifeless. This adaptation enables tardigrades to withstand extreme conditions such as intense heat, freezing cold, and even radiation. By essentially pausing their biological functions, tardigrades can survive environments that would be fatal to most other forms of life. Tardigrades possess an extraordinary ability to survive extreme conditions by entering a state known as cryptobiosis. In this state, they can lose almost all of their water content and effectively shut down their metabolism. Remarkably, tardigrades can remain frozen for years in this dormant state, enduring temperatures and environments that would be lethal to most other organisms. When conditions improve and water becomes available, they rehydrate and revive, resuming normal activity as if nothing ever happened. This resilience makes them some of the toughest known creatures on Earth. Tardigrades are remarkable for their unparalleled ability to survive extreme freezing conditions. Unlike most organisms that succumb to the cold, tardigrades enter a state known as cryptobiosis, effectively halting their metabolism and protecting their cells from damage. This adaptation allows them not only to endure, but to thrive in environments where temperatures plummet far below freezing. Their resilience has fascinated scientists, offering insights into the limits of life and the potential for survival in the harshest climates. Reptiles like iguanas are ectothermic, meaning they rely on external temperatures to regulate their body heat. When exposed to sudden drops in temperature, these animals can experience a phenomenon known as cold shock. During cold shock, their metabolic processes slow dramatically, causing their bodies to become immobile and unresponsive. In regions where temperatures can fall rapidly, iguanas may appear lifeless, but they are actually in a state of temporary shutdown. Once the environment warms up, many of these reptiles gradually recover and regain normal activity. During sudden cold snaps, an unusual phenomenon can occur in regions where reptiles like iguanas live in trees. As temperatures drop, these cold-blooded animals become sluggish and may lose their grip, causing them to fall to the ground. Although they appear lifeless, the reptiles are actually in a state of suspended animation, a temporary condition brought on by the cold. Once the environment warms up, their bodily functions gradually return to normal, and they often recover without harm. As temperatures begin to rise, reptiles slowly emerge from their dormant state. Their bodies absorb warmth from the sun, allowing their muscles to regain flexibility and strength. Gradually, movement returns, and they become more active, often basking to accelerate the warming process. Once fully revived, these reptiles return to their habitats, resuming their daily routines and interactions within their environment. These extraordinary animal adaptations reveal just how diverse and resilient life can be. The ability to freeze, suspend biological processes, and later revive pushes the boundaries of what we consider possible in nature. Such strategies not only ensure survival in harsh environments, but also inspire new questions about the limits of life itself. By observing these remarkable feats, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and ingenuity found in the animal kingdom. For these remarkable animals, death is not always a final destination. Instead, it can serve as a temporary pause, a state of suspended animation until conditions improve. When the environment once again becomes favorable, these creatures are capable of reviving and continuing their lives. This extraordinary adaptation challenges our traditional understanding of life and death in the natural world. Nature holds countless secrets, and each discovery brings us closer to understanding the wonders of our world. As we continue to explore, new stories and mysteries await just beyond the horizon. By staying engaged, you become part of this ongoing journey of discovery. The adventure is far from over, and there are many more incredible stories yet to be revealed.